We're going to be watching episode 1 of Chainsaw Man, which I know nothing about. All I know is that it's supposedly really gory, has mature themes, and is one of the most anticipated shows that have come out in recent years. So I'm very excited to see what all the hype is about. Oh god. Mappa Studios. You did it again. You better be paying those animators. Okay, already starting off with such an intense tone. Alright. Man, that room is dusty. Cutting down trees. So a kidney I sold. My right eye. What? Is he in the black market where he sells his organs? Oh, he's in debt. What the flip is that? What? Pochita? Is that what it's called? Excuse me? The music. That's gross. Oh my god. Ew! Denji. Okay, so our main character, at least I think is our main character, is Denji. What? That's a rip-off right there. Oh my god. Like that to hunt down. Oh, so he inherited debt? That sucks so much. Oh. So he's obedient, is he? Oh no. Oh my god. Okay, good. I'm glad that he didn't eat it. Oh my god. Yeah? It's a good goal as any, I guess. Oh god. And what is this? Oh god. Ooh. And that's... Bite me. Oh, what? It's not free. Oh my god. And then eventually, I guess, devil hunting wasn't enough and he sold parts of his body to try to pay off the debt that's not even his? Oh, what's going on? What? He has a disease? Oh, this show looks so good. I think the shading just like ties everything together. Oh no. Why do I not trust this situation at all?
もしかしてもう帰っちゃったとか。
デンジよ、俺たちはてめえに感謝してる。
Oh no.
はい。
犬みてえに従順だし、犬みてえに安い報酬で働いてくれる。でも俺は犬は臭くて綺麗だ。
What is that? Oh my god! Stab the devil!
俺たちヤクザもよ。
ヤクザ。
もっと強くなって稼ぎてえからよ。
Ew!
てめえみてえに悪魔と契約することにしたんだ。俺たちが望むのは悪魔の力。
僕が望むのはデビルハンターの。
What is that?
デビルハンター君、マジこいつらバカだよ。めっちゃバカ。
Oh my
力
god.
上げるっつったらさ、自分たちから僕の奴隷になってやがんのな。
Time for the zombie apocalypse to occur. Oh my god. No, this is bad. Oh, this is terrifying. Oh, they're fast. Oh! Oh my god!
何も金持ちになりたいわけじゃねえ。ただせめて普通の生活がしたいだけなのに。んなことも叶えられねえのかよ。
Oh, this is brutal. What kind of show am I watching? Oh my god. What? Well, okay. Used him to cut down trees. That's funny.
悪魔には死んだ人の体を乗っ取れるやつもいるらしい。ポチタにそれができるんだったら、
Ooh.
俺の体をポチ
I
タに
need to
入れた
have
いん
my
だ。
body. Oh my god.
墓入った後だったら、
Is he gonna
ヤクザ
take
も持って
over?
これないだろ。
Oh my god. He was literally chopped up into tiny bits. Whoa, they're fusing together. Oh my god, what? He can talk?
私の心臓をやる。代わりにデンジの夢を私に見せてくれ。
Wait a minute. It's inside the body. So they did fuse together, with Denji still being alive.
どういうこと？バラバラにしても生きてんの？なんで？キモ。
Oh my god. Is he gonna like rev it up? Hello? Wait, what is that noise? Is that the chainsaw? What? Oh my, what? Holy crap! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god. chopping them up. Holy crap. Oh my god. Oh my god. This is crazy. Oh my god. What did I just witness? A massacre. That's what I witnessed. A massacre. Alright. Hug me. Ew. What? Oh. That is so interesting.
悪魔による乗っ取りの可能性は
ないね。乗っ取りの顔を見ればわかるもん。君の選択肢は2つ。
Two options.
悪魔として私に殺されるか、
Kill you like a
人として
devil.
私に飼われるか。
Keep you as a human. Keep you as a human.
ちゃんと餌はあげるよ。
Excuse me? I'll make sure you're fed.
最高じゃないっすか。
Sounds awesome. Oh. That was the end? I have no idea what to make of that. I literally had no expectations going into this. All I knew is that it was very anticipated. It was a very popular series, even without an anime. And that it was going to be a little gruesome. That's all I knew about it going in. And I am telling you right now, I'm speechless. I don't know what to say. That was crazy. That was such an intense experience. The first episode is a telling of what the rest of the series is going to be. I'm going to have major whiplash. Like, I'm going to need to, like, go lay down after every single episode because I'm going to be so drained. That was crazy. That was intense. Okay. Let's start with the art and animation. Obviously, MAPPA Studios, very talented studio. Amazing work. I love the way it looks. I love the shading. I love the way the characters moved. There was a little CGI in here, but it wasn't so daunting that it took away from the immersion that I was having while watching this episode. And then the character designs is really cool. I really like Denji as a main character. I don't know much about him yet. The dog devil thing, a little weird. I guess the dog fused with him in a way that made Denji still had Denji remain as like a conscious being, and it wasn't the devil that actually took over his body. So that's very interesting too, and it looks like his body parts regenerated at the end there, so that's really interesting. Wow, I'm very excited to see more about this world and these characters. That one girl at the end seemed very suspicious, very weird. I don't know. It was almost like she was talking to him like as a pet, like, I'll keep you human, I'll keep you fed. Like, a little weird, but honestly, not a bad deal. But anyways, yeah, I'm really excited to continue, guys. If you guys enjoyed this video, please, if you liked, please, or dislike if you dislike, and tell me what I can do better. And don't forget to hit subscribe and click that notification bell so you're notified every single time I make a video. And I wish each and every single one of you a wonderful day, night, evening, afternoon, whatever you prefer. And I will see you all in the next video. Bye!